CoinGeek Week conference on the 28th to the 30th of November at the Mermaid in Puddle Dock, London. If you want to be a part of this milestone event, be sure to book tickets today.
I'm Becky Legiro for CoinGeek.com, and welcome to our coverage of the inaugural Malta Blockchain Summit. This event is absolutely packed with blockchain professionals. You can literally feel the excitement here at the Intercontinental Hotel. Now dubbed Blockchain Island, Malta is positioning itself as a hub for crypto and blockchain businesses. In addition to educating delegates on Malta's blockchain-friendly regulations, this summit has welcomed experts in blockchain to cover the latest trends and developments. Malta native Angelo Dali is famous for his innovation in the artificial intelligence space, and he is here at the summit to talk about the intersection of AI and blockchain.
Well, AI and blockchain obviously have some applications together. For example, in the art world, what we're going to do is to put the artwork itself on the blockchain and make sure that we have a certificate of authenticity of the art. And also we'll put, for example, this artwork has been sold for 17,500 in Malta on 31st October. So like this, you can actually go online and then one can check, okay, this is the real price of this artwork, and you can follow its history using the blockchain. And I think this will revolutionize also the way that auctions are done, the way that pricing is done. It will bring transparency into the art world.
Today's government versus blockchain session featured Matthias Klies of EuropeCoin. Klies is an expert in European Union politics and explained how the EU views cryptocurrencies and blockchain.
Well, you have to divide the European Union in two parties, because there is the government itself and there's a central bank, and they have completely opposite opinions about this whole thing. Yeah? This makes the government often react, especially in terms of regulation, which I critique very much, react in an unpredictable and unclear way, because they are afraid to say something wrong, which the central bank doesn't like. They are, in the deep of their heart, much more open to cryptocurrencies than they can say.
Blockchain technology is brilliant because it opens up the world in so many ways for so many people. Retium, a global equity crowdfunding portal and secondary trading exchange, simplifies real estate.
So we allow people to compliantly invest in real estate for as little as $100, earn rental income on a monthly basis, and sell their portion back to the global market in a compliant way in under a minute.
And how do you use the blockchain to do this?
We use the blockchain to have a global property ledger of all the properties and all the documents that align with that. We have a ledger of all the investors, their accreditations, their identities, and their anti-money laundering, like processed money. And the final thing is a register of all the shares, we call them security tokens, and all their ownerships and all the rights that relate to that. So those three things interplay in a way that we can actually reduce the cost of real estate investing by 90% by opening up the market to the next 2 billion people who are dying to get in and unlock $1 trillion of sleeping capital. This is seniors, millennials, people in the developing world with $100, $5,000 saved up, buying avocado toast, going on holiday because they don't know they can get assets. Our platform is perfect for them, and we're so excited to be launching in about a month.
Everybody here is so excited about Blockchain Island and commends the Maltese government for their open mind and forward thinking. Malta-based Genesis Mining believes this could be the start of a blockchain revolution.
I think it's remarkable to see Malta really stepping forward in a very, how can I say, progressive way. They want to make this the blockchain island, and they are putting a lot of incentive and put a lot of efforts into the regulatory framework to basically give the companies that are coming here more regulatory certainty. Which is an essential driver for that. I think this is great, and I think that it's also a great example for them to show other countries, being a good example for other countries, and we will have probably other countries to follow that, and that sets a whole new push on a global, on a global scale.
For more highlights from the Malta Blockchain Summit Expo floor and the latest news in Bitcoin, subscribe to CoinGeek.com.